Hi, it's Courtney Harris again, and I'm going to play Old Time Rock and Roll. This is a pep band piece, and again, the purpose with the short videos in regards to pep band music is so that you can identify the melody and know how it goes. Here we go. This is the first trumpet part to Old Time Rock and Roll, and it is arranged also by Mike Story. That is Old Time Rock and Roll. It's real quick. That's only about 16 bars. So again, that's the first trumpet part to Old Time Rock and Roll by Mike Story. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I get back to those who ask questions ASAP. And please subscribe. Thanks.